Welcome to another awesome tutorial with me, Ken Mbesa. It's always a pleasure having you here. Today I want to show you how to solve a small but really annoying Elementor problem that I discovered a lot of people encounter while trying to build their pages using the builder in the front end. And that's the server error or 500 error. And I want to show you how that error looks. So we're right here in the front end of one of my web pages, and I want to add a sentence to one of the blocks of text. So let's say I want to add a sentence that says, our team is eager to hear from. Now we want to save these changes in Elementor. So if we hit update, notice what happens. We encounter this error, server error or 500 error. If you've made changes all over the page and you'd like to save those changes, and then that error comes up, it can be really frustrating because now you can't remember all the changes you had made. So you'll have to go back to each and every part and try to remember what you did, because you can't save the page and you can't exit, because if you want to exit then you will lose everything you worked on. So how do you solve that? I found a simple solution to my problem. I don't know if it'll work for you, but it did for me. Remember, all websites and systems are set up differently, so what works for me might not work for you. And what's causing my 500 error or server error could be different from what's causing your server error. And for me, the problem was my PHP memory limit. All I had to do was increase my PHP memory limit, and that's it. And how do you do that? So jumping right into your cPanel, go ahead and type PHP. Yeah, just type PHP and all these options will appear here related to PHP, but what you're interested in is the select PHP version. So let's click that. Yep. And I don't know how your cPanel looks. cPanels look different depending on your host, but mine looks like this. So the first thing you want to do is look at your current PHP version. By default, when you first get your hosting, the default PHP version comes as native 7.2. If it's a native version, change your current PHP version to the latest version, and you can tell that by the number. So right here the highest number is 7.4, and that's the one you should use. I don't know for your case, maybe it could be 7.3, 7.8, 7.5, whatever it is. Just select the latest version of PHP. Once that's done, let's move on to step 2. Click options. Scroll downwards and look for where it says memory limit. Click the tiny drop down menu and select the highest memory limit available. That's what's recommended. You'll get the success memory option, memory limit successfully saved. And now you can go back to your Elementor page, try to make some changes. Let's remove the sentence we added here because we don't need it. And now let's say save. Let's update that. There we go. Problem solved. No error message appearing here, and our changes have been saved. Now you can rest assured you can move on to the next project you were working on. You can move on to the next page and work on it. And that's it, guys. I hope you learned something new today. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. It really motivates me to know that I'm helping someone out there. And if you want to get more videos like this every time I post, hit the subscribe button. Otherwise, it's always a pleasure. I'm your boy Ken Mbesa, signing out. Peace.